Hey guys, Farmer's Wife here. Just thought I'd give you an update. This week I do have off, so hopefully I'll be able to get a few more videos done. Right now we are across the creek in one of our fields where we had taken down a bunch of trees and we're kind of cleaning up some of the brush. We did get most of it cleaned up, but there's still some big pieces of wood here and rocks, so just trying to get that cleaned up right now. So that we can farm through. We do have the turbo out, so we're working on cleaning. We have the gator here picking up some big rocks, and then we're going to be throwing them, burning a lot of the big logs. We're going to be burning a little bit here, and then there's a little wet area there, so we're going to be filling that in with some dirt so that we can get this field planted. This is one of our last fields on the farm that need to be planted, so we're working on that this morning. We do have a few other projects that we want to get done. We want to get some planting in the garden done, fix up some of our plastic, and I'll take you along for all of that. And we have some hoeing to do as well. So I hope you all are doing well, and we'll bring you along as we go through the day today. So as he is driving around and re-hitting it with the turbo, we're going around behind him and finding any big sticks or stumps and throwing them in the back of the gator. You can see we got a few yet. So we'll keep working here and get this ready to plant. Hey guys, we are back out here picking rocks. You can see it's a little rocky down here. Not necessarily because we need to, but we do have some holes that need to be filled in. So I have a variety of different sizes. We marked them with a flag, and I'm not sure where my little buddy put the other flag, but we marked them with a flag. We're gonna take these back and fill in those holes just so it's a little easier to run with the gator along the side of the fields. So that's what we're up to right now. You can see we got most of the big sticks, logs, stumps, pieces picked up from this field, and this is just about ready to plant. We'll be turbo tilling it. We'll be hitting it one more time with the turbo. And then later this evening we're gonna burn that little area right there, bring some stuff down, burn that up, and then we have to fill it in with a little bit more topsoil, and then that'll be able to be planted as well. It's a little bit of a low wet spot, but the field that is kind of joining this one across the way just needs to be hit one more time as well, and then that'll be ready to plant. I don't know if we'll get to the garden today. The farmer's out. He's out working in some fields, doing some rotor hoeing. Some of the later beans that got planted in this area got a little bit of a hard crust on top, so he's helping out and getting that done. But I'm off this week, so I'm able to help out around here and get the jobs done around here that need to be done. So it gives him the ability to go and do that for them. So it's a little bit update of where we are right now, and I'll keep you informed. Alright, so we're driving down along the creek here. You can see the creek bed. We have a little driveway right here. There's two of the holes. My son here flagged them for us, so we're going to stop here and put some rocks in. You can see we kind of put some in already. Might just fill it up a little bit more, but this one over here is quite the divot, especially when you're driving. So we'll get those filled up. Hello everybody, another day here I did not get down to the garden on Monday like I anticipated, and there was a lot going on yesterday, so I didn't get to do any vlogs yesterday, but today we're back down here in the garden. We are working on the plastic here. There was some that came up. So basically what I'm doing is I hoed a little trench beside the plastic, you can see there, and I have my shovel here, and I'm kind of flipping it over, stepping on it, and tacking the plastic back down so it doesn't rip. There's another one over there, so I'll be working on trying to fix this up. And then we're going to go over, check out the potatoes that we planted earlier. They're starting to come up. I'm going to hoe over in that area a little bit. It is really windy down here. It's a little bit chilly. The temperatures are going to drop again here. I think it's only in the 50s right now. So this is what we're working on. Little guy has rubble there. He's helping out. So I'll show you when this is done. You can see it's a little bit tattered, so we'll get it fixed up here and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so we got that portion done. I just saw I have a little bit right here, and then up there that top row needs to be done yet. And maybe another portion over 2 rows up and by the bridge. So keep working here. Get this done. Again, just a little bit of what we've been up to here this week on the farm. Yep, I'm still working. So we are over with the potatoes right now. We do have these hilled pretty well already. You can see they're starting to poke through. What I'm doing is just kind of loosening the ground around them, pulling it up just a little bit. They are calling for some cooler temperatures tonight, and I know potatoes do fairly well, even with the cooler temperatures. But I thought, well, I'll give them a little bit of protection down here. There are some weeds starting to grow, so I'm going to be kind of getting those out as well, and working in this area. But the potatoes are doing really well. I'm really glad that we haven't gotten anything else planted quite yet, just because of the cooler temperatures. Even after Mother's Day, they're calling for some pretty chilly temperatures tonight. So it's a little bit of what we've been up to this week so far. I'll probably finish this video out here and maybe do another one for the end of the week. You can hear the wind. It's really windy down here right now. It's been windy all day, really. It's not a warm breeze either. It's a chilly breeze. It's probably about 60 today, whereas the last couple days it's been in the 80s. So just odd temperatures this week, but we'll keep you posted here, and I hope you enjoy this little clip of what's going on around the farm the last couple days. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.